Takeru and Evan and Takeru. It's a cool YouTube show. You found it.
Oh, let's try new game.
Go next. You play new game? Wait. Let's read some more. Let's read just a few pages, okay? Just 4 pages, okay?
Okay, sir.
Only 4 pages, okay? Okay, sir, you can do it, right?
Okay, sir.
You can do it, okay. Just 4 pages. We'll pick up where we left off with the cat in the hat. The cat in the hat. Where is... I always forget where I keep my books. Here they are. What page were we on? The cat had just come in the door, right? And he's like, why do you sit there like that?
By Dr. Seuss.
So let's go to pages. And you want to see him talk to the fish?
No.
Or here, let's do this.
I know some good games we could play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat.
I
I know some good games.
We could play.
We could play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said cat in the hat.
The cat in the hat.
Yes.
Okay. 3 more pages.
3 more, yes. And can we Sun
A
and
lot
jump
of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do.
For all good tricks, I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind after
At all?
all it I will do.
If I do.
If I do.
Okay. 2 more pages.
Yeah,
2 more pages.
Then Sally and I
read.
did not know what to say.
Read,
Our
and
mother
then when
was
it's
out of the
finished,
house
then
for
you
the
can
day.
read. Okay.
Then Sally
And I
didn't know why
did not know.
Did not know what to say. Didn't know
Our mother
our mother
was out.
was out of the house for the day.
Good job.
Yeah, last page.
The last page.
I'm so excited.
But our fish
Why are you
said,
excited?
no, make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat you do not want to play.
But our fish said, no, make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat what you do not want to play.
Yay. Perfect. Good job. High five.
Yeah.